back to my channel. Today's video is a grocery haul. I haven't done one of these in a long time, so I feel kind of weird, but we're combining 3 kids' birthday in one, so we're having a birthday party for 3 kids. So the budget was a bit extended, or whatever. We had $300 to shop for food and food for the party, not including party stuff, favors, and all that stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys what I picked up. Okay, so I've laid out a bunch of stuff. So we're gonna do this in sections. So I got bread for the house. Guys, come here. As I take this off, we're gonna put them away. So I got 3 things of bread. Put these, 2 of them in the freezer and 1 in the pantry. So grab the bread. And then for birthday, I have, the twins will be turning 13, so I got a 3 and a 1, and then Madison will be turning 3. So I'm gonna be reusing this because it made no sense buying 2 3s. So Madison will be 3, and then the twins will be 13. So that's that. And then I'm making their cupcakes. So I got just this 84 count cupcake liners. And then we're doing hot dogs and chips for the little kids, the ones that don't really eat much. So we're doing hot dogs. So I got 4 things of hot dog. I'm having a whole bunch of kids. The last count I had was like 30 something children. Was it 30? No, yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah, we had 30 something kids. And then sour cream and onion. And then for juice, I have other people bringing stuff, but I'm making a fruit punch. So for my fruit punch, I'm gonna put this, and then there's another one somewhere. These are like 72 cents at Walmart. And I got some mini pretzels, and then some pretzel nuggets just to make some bowls, party bowls. And then for the cupcake, I'm doing red velvet. I have another one somewhere in the pantry, and then I'm doing French vanilla. And then I got this frosting. I think I got another frosting. And that's it for the party. I have more stuff. Then for regular budget, I have just a bunch of these for my husband because he's on a health kick now. We have cheddar cheese. We have sliced cheese. We have turkey breast for the kids for their lunches. And then I have extra sharp cheese that you can cut up for their lunches. I have some salad over here for me because these are what I eat. And then for the kids this week, because next week they don't have school because they're going to be out on Thanksgiving break, I got some, this one, and this is triple cheese. Then I got some peppers, some pear, sweet potato. I think there's another bunch of sweet potatoes. These are easy. And then I got some apple, some southern butter pecan, and then I have honey, apple blast, mashed potato, and fruit thing for them. And then this is everything else I need to put here because my island right now is just preoccupied with stuff because I'm decorating for Christmas all over there. So I'll show you guys the next set. Okay, so let's continue. So I got some, guys, come on. I got some chocolate pudding for their lunches, vanilla pudding. I have some Southwest. I have a thing of mayo. I have a steak and cheese for their lunches, and mini pizza bite. These mini pizza bagel bites. Yeah, mini pizza bagel bites, vanilla, carrot for their lunches, some crackers for their lunches, apples and cinnamon because this is my husband's favorite oatmeal in the morning. These apples and cinnamon. We have 2% milk here. We have brown rice for the husband lunches and brown rice and quinoa. He take those to work for his lunches. And we have some vegetable oil. We have mandarin orange. We have sweet Vidalia onion. I don't know what that is. Crushed red pepper. I mean, I know what it is. It's barbecue sauce. Duh. Sweet peas for Rob's lunches and peas and carrots. He takes one of these to work with him. Along with his rice, dump it into a bowl with protein, and he's good. Sugar-free caramel macchiato for him. Yeah. We have bite-sized tortilla chips, original potato chips for Destiny and Jackson's lunch. We have a corn, some animal crackers for the toddler, mini pretzels, twist for the toddler and the other kids for lunches, strawberry applesauce for their lunches, original applesauce. These are my favorite. I use these in my hot cocoa station every single year. Last year I only purchased one and I ran out. Yeah, I'm finished. And I ran out. And I was like totally kicking myself when the season started and I couldn't find them. So this year I got 3. I believe I got 3 or 4. They're 99 cents at Walmart. They're so good and the kids enjoy putting it in their hot cocoa every year. So we have sweet corn. We have black beans. I think I bought 4 cans of black beans. And this is a combination of Walmart and Aldi's. Sour cream and onion. Sour cream and onion what? Sour cream for cheesecake that I'm baking for their birthday. And this usually bakes at least 4 cheesecakes here. So that's that, and I forgot to get the crust thing. I need to pick that up. Another baked bean, complete season right here. Some parsley flakes, bursting berry for the toddler. And then for birthday party, we have ketchup, we have mustard for the hot dog. Then we have a ton of hot dogs right there. We have strawberry and then strawberry yogurt. This is for Destiny and Jackson's lunch. This is for birthday party. That's for the birthday party. So that's the chili garlic tortilla chips. And then more sodas for birthday parties. We don't drink soda. So this is the first in our house. And then for chicken, we got 3 packs of chicken for the jerk chicken that we're making for the adults. And then this is for our dinners. So we just got 2 things of drumsticks. And then over here we got some, because we're trying to get the kids off of these. So we only picked up a few to kind of like wean them off. So that's that. Jello snacks for their lunches. This is cream cheese for the cupcakes. And then this is for the birthday party. I'm making curry chicken. So I got 2 packs for curry chicken for the party. I hope that's enough. So I'm doing curry chicken with white rice for the party. And then this is for our dinners. This is 4 meals in one. So we just got that. So I need to separate this. And then we got some black pepper because we're out. Got some cabbage because I eat cabbage during the week for my meal plan. Got some banana for hubby's lunch, breakfast, and the kids' lunches. Yes. How did it fill out?
It's half.
How did it come out?
It was in there. It was in this box.
Okay. Oh, this is the thing I used last year, and it fits perfectly. So I need to set up my hot cocoa station right here. And there go all the other stuff for my hot cocoa station. We got some avocados. We have 4 avocados. We have tomato. We have onion. We have cucumber. We have some green onion. We have a big thing of egg. Peanut butter. Crunchy peanut butter. And we got some jerk sauce for the jerk seasoning. What else? We're missing more chicken.
Yeah. Yeah, Mama.
Hmm? Oh, bring it over here. So this is for the party. This is for our house. So this is 4 meals. This is 4 meals in one. Yeah, 4 meals in one. So that's 4, 4, 8, and I only cook 4 days out of the week, and that's extra. We have some curry powder, some Goya seasoning, sazon. We have another sweet potato. And then over here we have 30 foam plates for ice cream and their cupcake. We have some spoons and fork. I hate buying the bag that's fork, spoon, and knife because I don't use knives. We have some foam cups for the party. We have a ton of plates for the party. I stopped doing colored stuff and coordinating because it's a waste of money. And got a big bag of a piñata surprise for the piñata, the Mickey Mouse piñata that I have. Where's the spray for? Here, take this one. And then I bought this spray paint for this light fixture right here. That's going right here. Don't mind the mess right here. This is all my decorations for the kitchen. And the kids' jackets. Like, everybody just pile up their mess on my table. But, this is for the cabinet over there. I need to hang them up and get my kitchen back and work in order. But I have a lot to do, so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.